back to my channel. I'm Zandali. Okay, so by reading the title you already know that I'm doing an extreme closet clean out. I'm so sad. I don't want my babies to go, but I have to because I'm not wearing it, and I can donate it to people that really would wear it, and I can sell some of it on Depop, and I can sell some of it on my Instagram. If you don't want to sell your clothes on Instagram, you can sell it on Depop. It's a really good way to make a little bit of extra money. After 25 years of living on this earth, I only realized that I was a really bad shopper. I just bought like anything. I won't even wear this. I've had this thing on twice and I've probably had it for over 4 years. So I was just buying things that I'm like, oh, this is cute because the pattern is so nice, the material is so nice, but I never really loved it so much to actually wear it. I will just go back to the same outfits that I really love. So I'm going to only keep those outfits. I really want to just invest in really good pieces. If you don't know how to invest in really good pieces and you also want to do like the same thing, go watch Ashley's video. I think her name is Best Dress on YouTube, but I'll link it below. It's a really good video to watch if you don't know what to buy or good pieces that you want to invest in. So I will link it below. It's really good. It explains you like jeans to invest in, tops to invest in. It doesn't just say, oh, you need a black shirt, oh, you need a white shirt. It explains like the material, so you can actually see which material you like. She explains even the material of the jeans and the different prices of jeans, and yeah, just go watch it. It's amazing. I want to try thrift more because that's like saving the environment and you save a lot of money. So if you go on Depop, Depop has amazing brands that is real, like they prove to you that it's real. You can find really cheap things there, and I've been seeing a lot of things that I want and I can't buy everything. So I'm going to make a little list of everything I want to buy and everything that I really need, and then I'm going to shop from there. As you can see, I already have like 2 piles here. So this is what I'm keeping and this is what I'm throwing away. So, or selling or donating, I'm not sure yet. I still need to go through like the quality and everything.
You can find me at my best when I'm naked, when I'm lying by the pool getting faded. See, I used to give a fuck, now I'm jaded. I'm allergic to the bullshit, allergic to the bullshit. I read orange soda, Deepak Chopra, Versace robe and my Gucci loafer. Sex on the sofa, that's my yoga. Till my last breath, no regrets. Shit behind me, keep my diamonds blinding. Gotta keep it suave like I'm Sade in the 90s. Do it like it's roulette, roll it, burn it, lose it. Hit that black and red, keep spending decks, I keep it moving. Put that shit behind me, keep my diamonds blinding. Gotta keep it suave like I'm Sade in the 90s.
I have a big problem because this is the only box I have to put everything in, and it's already full, and I still need to pack that and all of, yeah, this whole section over here. So I think I'm gonna put this box in the corner there and then just put everything on top. It's actually the next day, and yesterday was like a total disaster. Okay, I'm gonna start taking pictures of this outfit.
Take another hit, but I'm already high. Told myself I wouldn't, why do I even try? Here I go again, fucking up my head, staying home and getting stoned instead. I know that I shouldn't, I can't prioritize. I keep messing up things, I keep overthinking, following my instincts, but they're all wrong. I can't stop this cycle, making me go psycho. Voices in my head go. always sabotage myself. This shit's always my fault and no one else. Cause I worry what they think of me. Got me wasting all my energy. Yeah, I always sabotage myself. Sabotage. When I feel low, the party's where I go. Get a little tipsy, but I can't take it slow. Drink a little more, lay it on the floor. People knocking on the bathroom door. Try to play cool, but everybody knows I keep messing up things. I keep overthinking, following my instincts, but they're all wrong. I can't stop this cycle, making me go psycho. Voices in my head.
It's actually the third day now, and I've been trying to make this last bit of the video for 4 hours, so thank you if you're still here, because this, see, this has been taking me 4 hours to do. I'm sorry if you can hear my next door neighbor. He's been banging for 4 hours. My door keeps opening, and I also start running out of things to say because it's the third day, you know. I will show you a quick look through of what I have in my room right now.
Cause I worry what they think of me. Got me wasting all my energy. Fuck, I always sabotage myself. This shit's always my fault and no one else. Cause
I also want to show you this. Who keeps bra straps for 15 years? Me, because I had this bra when I was 15 and I'm 25 now, so what can I do with the green bra strap? Please comment below. I also want to create this into a pant, so I'm keeping this. I really don't like this sweater anymore. Do you know that feeling when you wear something so many times you just don't love it anymore? Even if it's nice, you just don't like it anymore. So I'm gonna make this pants. If you want to see how I create this into pants and some other pieces into different types of things, please comment below. Thank you for watching and see you next week.